This job is for the National Park Service, Perry's Victory and International Peace Memorial on Put-in Bay, Ohio. We're going to do seawalls. All of it, both sides of the National Park property. Well, the Aqua Dam made a seal. It's sucking the water down on the inside, so there's a seal, and we got a long ways to go to fill up this Aqua Dam. We had to pull the end around to actually marry up to the wall. So everything's looking good. We're just we only got 2 pumps running, so it's going to take a while. The part of the 18-inch high dam by 500 feet long didn't make it underneath the 10-foot high dam, and so now splicing out the section that did not. It was underneath the dam, so it wasn't going to do us any good. So now we've got 2 individual pieces. Rock City down there. Well, of course, there's all this rock underneath that Aqua Dam too.